Hello, my name is Nisha Holmes, and I work as a developer at Analysis Prime. And today I'm going to talk about one of the new enhancements for SAC for the second quarter of 2025. This new enhancement allows for the carryover of the linked story filters when using Analyzer within a story widget. So to demonstrate, you can see I have some linked story filters here, and you can see I can apply any changes and they carry over here to both of my models that I have, both of these tables I have with two different types of models, or two different models. And so if I wanted to take one of these widgets within the table, and let's say I want to just see Canada and Europe for 2024, and I want to look at, actually, let's go back, and I want to look at, say, 2025, and I want to look at actual versus budget. I can see that here. So if I want to analyze those numbers a little more, I can open the analyzer. And so you can see the story filters will carry over from the story itself to data analyzer for this particular widget. And you can see if I want to at this point, I can certainly add, to continue to filter from this point, but I don't have to add the story filters here, even though they're linked in the story itself. As you can see in the story, they're linked. And so because they're linked, in the past, we weren't able to carry those over, but now we can do that no problem. And it will hold the same values, the filtered values that I've in Data Analyzer as I had in the practice story.